If you've been using Android for years, you might think you've already discovered every useful feature. But honestly, Android is packed with hidden tools that many users never use. Some can save time, others improve productivity, and some can even make your phone more secure. So in this video, I'll show you 10 hidden Android features in 2026 and exactly how to use them. Let's start with number 1, split screen mode. This allows you to use two apps at the same time. To activate it, open the Recent Apps screen tap. The app icon at the top selects split screen. Choose a second app. Now you can use both apps side by side. Perfect for watching videos while taking notes or replying to messages. Now number 2, magnification shortcut. This feature allows you to zoom in anywhere on your screen, which is useful for reading small text, viewing details in photo, so helping users with accessibility needs to enable it. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Magnification, turn on Magnification Shortcut. Then use the shortcut gesture configured on your phone to zoom in instantly on any part of the screen. Now number 3, quick camera launch. Many Android phones can open the camera instantly. Simply press the power button twice quickly. The camera should launch immediately, even if the phone is locked, perfect for capturing moments before they disappear. Now number 4, live caption. Android can automatically generate captions for videos and audio. To activate it, press a volume button, tap the live caption icon, or go to Settings, Accessibility, Live Caption. Once enabled, captions appear automatically for supported content. Now number 5, quick share. This lets you send files wirelessly to nearby devices. To use it, open a photo or file, tap Share, select Quick Share, choose the nearby device. It's much faster than sending large files through messaging apps. Now number 6, digital well-being. To access it, open Settings, Digital Well-being and Parental Controls. Here you can view screen time, app usage, notification counts, and daily limits. It's useful if you're trying to reduce distractions. Now number 7, battery usage controls. To see which apps drain your battery, open Settings, Battery Usage. You'll see which apps consume the most power. You can then restrict background activity for heavy battery users. Now, number 8, Permission Manager. To review permissions, go to Settings, Privacy Permission Manager. Here you can see which apps access, location, camera, microphone, contacts, and storage. Disable anything that seems unnecessary to improve privacy. Now number 9, built-in screen recording. Many Android phones now include screen recording. To use it, swipe down twice from the top of the screen. Find Screen Recorder, tap it, start recording. You can record tutorials, games, or anything happening on your screen without installing extra apps. And finally, number 10, material. Use customization to personalize your phone. Press and hold on the home screen, select wallpaper and style. From there, you can customize colors, icons, widgets, wallpapers, and themes. This allows your phone to match your personal style. Now, let's be honest for a second. Most Android users only use a small percentage of what their phones can actually do, and many of these features are already installed on your device, waiting to be discovered. So to wrap this up, 10 hidden Android features worth trying in 2026 are split screen, mode magnification, shortcut, quick camera, launch live caption, quick share, digital well-being, battery controls, permission manager, screen recording, and material. Use customization, because honestly, learning just a few of these tricks can completely change how you use your Android phone every day.